The 2007 Cadillac XLR. The Cadillac XLR Roadster combines power and performance in a luxury vehicle. A retractable hardtop convertible, the XLR features such standard equipment as heated and cooled leather seats, remote keyless access, and side airbags, as well as a navigation, audio, and DVD system, sharing a 7-inch dashboard screen. This Roadster simply has it all and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, CD changer, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.